Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and in this video I'm going to show you how to switch off the POCO F7 smartphone. Long gone are the days when you could just long press the power button to switch off your phone. That action's now used by digital assistants. But if you want to easily switch off your phone, you now need to use two buttons, specifically the power button and the volume up button at the same time. So I'll repeat that. Power button and volume up button at the same time will give you a little slider, in this case on the POCO F7, to give you the option to power off or to reboot your phone. So just to repeat that and make sure you've really got it, power button and volume up at the same time gives you the power options. So there you go. That was a quick tutorial on how to switch off the POCO F7. If you found this useful, please leave us a like. If on the other hand this doesn't make sense or you'd like a further explanation, do leave us a comment in the section below and we'll do our best to get back to you. And as usual, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.